Hi, this is Perfect7 and let's get started with the video. In the modern world, you no longer have to tolerate doing a job you hate or working for people you can't tolerate. A lot of people have discovered new ways of making money that don't require you to even leave your home. The following are some of the best ways to make money at home. 1. Start a blog. Blogs are a great way to share your stories, opinions, and other information with random people on the internet, and if you are consistent and grow your audience, your blog can become a good source of income. If you have lots of visitors on your blog, you can make money through advertising or selling merchandise to your audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you get paid from product sellers or manufacturers for directing buyers to their website or business. You can advertise the products using any means at your disposal, such as adverts on blogs, social media posts, direct messages, among others. All you need is potential buyers to click your affiliate link that directs them to the seller's website, such as Amazon. If the buyer makes the purchase, you get a commission. 3. Starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the world's most popular websites with billions of monthly users. There are videos of almost anything you can think of, and anyone is allowed to post a video. You can become a YouTube content creator and post any videos you feel people will be interested in, such as funny videos, travel videos, cooking videos, explainer videos, reaction videos, or just record yourself speaking about various topics. You get paid depending on the number of views your videos get and the number of subscribers your channel has. 4. Sell your photos. If you are skilled with cameras, you can easily turn your photos into easy cash by selling them to stock image websites such as Shutterstock.com. With modern high-performance smartphones, you don't even need to have a professional camera to take awesome pictures. If your photos are accepted, they can be downloaded by Shutterstock.com's subscribers, and you can make money for every download. 5. Take online surveys. Online surveys can be a quick way to earn some cash at home. There are plenty of reputable online survey sites that you can sign up and do regular surveys for cash. 6. Forex Trading. You don't need much to become a successful Forex trader, just a computer and internet connection is all you need to run a Forex trading empire. You can easily set up your Forex trading account and start trading as soon as you deposit funds. You can use the computer or your smartphone to access streaming charts, live price feeds, and news and trade at home 24 hours a day. 7. Turn your hobbies into cash. If you have a talent or are good at a hobby, especially in the creative arts, you can easily turn it into a money-making venture if you do it right. For instance, if you love painting, you can make portraits and sell them for thousands of dollars or even millions if they are good enough. Do you want to learn more about work-from-home opportunities? If so, you can download my product that teaches you how to succeed working online. Thanks for watching.